Happy New Year! A very, very happy New Year, guys. And I couldn't think of a better video to start 2021 than the scope of BDS. Guys, for this video, just be with me. I will be mentioning more than 20 plus scopes, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to broaden our horizon of what a BDS can do. In this video, we are just discussing the options available. If you want detailed video on some of the specific options, or you have something which I did not mention, please mention in the comment section and I will see to it that I do research and make a video on that. Before I start, please, before you choose any of the options, or you create or you do as a BDS something for your career, make sure the one thing that you should remember is you should love, enjoy what you do. You should not think of it, oh, it's a Monday, or oh, it's a weekend. You should be able to do it 24/7. Number 2, there should be a need of what you do. If there are no customers, then what's the point of doing that? Number 3, of course, money is very important. It's not everything, but definitely it's something. And do not go for settled, especially not before 30 years of your age, because many people were settled before COVID. Now what? It was seen like microbiologist was not a career everybody used to choose. Now those are the people who we truly rely upon, because of them COVID was identified, the virus was identified, or the cure or the vaccine is totally dependent on their findings. We only settle once in our lifetime, that is on our deathbed. Never, never, ever have just one source of income. Now it's a era where we definitely need two sources of income at least. So even if we are doctors and even if we are practicing, for example, we must have another source of income. Hey guys, welcome back to your channel Dr. Batisi, and I'm your dentist Dr. Jasmine. On YouTube, subscribers and liking the video. Of course, views and comments matter, but these are the mainly essential things that determine for the creator that if the public, if the audience, if you guys are liking the content. I can never be able to thank you enough for the unconditional support and love, but especially for this video, I would request you to do subscribe if you haven't already, and if you think this video is essential and has provided you value of the time you have spent here, then please do like the video so that in 2021 I can bring the best of the content. So let's dive in, guys. Number one option is MDS, of course. See, for endo, OMDR, oral surgery, ortho, OP, and pedo, I do have the interviews from the experts on what exactly you can expect if you go into MDS, the basic curriculum and scope and job opportunities of these branches. Prostho, perio, and public health dentistry will be coming soon. I will link down the videos, you can definitely have a look. Number 2, work in a clinic, be it charitable or private. Private can be individual or chains. What happens in chains is mainly you have a contract period of maybe 1 year, 2 years. So that is how chains usually work. And charitable clinics, I have seen that in gurdwaras, especially there in like renowned big gurdwaras, what happens is there is one clinic where all the doctors are sitting, and of course there is one dental clinic too, so you can apply it also there. Then you can work in CGHS panels. These have clinics as well. I have videos on how to find the right clinic for you, how to write a resume or CV, my best and worst experiences. All the videos I will link down below. Number 3 is open up your own practice, or eventually you can open up your own dental lab. Dental tourism and 6 vaccines that are really necessary for a dentist. You can see those videos if you're looking for this option. Number 4, Government job, the JR, junior residentship, or a house job, which is called. You can also apply in ESIC government hospitals. Also, how I got into the government hospital, what is JR, house job, how many vacancies, where to look for, what to study, everything, links, please see that. And how to write an application form if you want to do an honorary JR-ship. Number 5, guys, is NGO. Either join an NGO or open up your own. Most NGOs, guys, if we work for 3 years after opening a NGO, then after that government support us, and there are basic few protocols for opening an NGO. You can do that, but make sure that you do it without corruption. Of course, be in an NGO there are certain benefits of it. So what India needs exactly is something which we truly do. Of course we earn money from it, but we do not corrupt that. Number 6, government job in an army. Video is there, guys, very recent video is there. BDS, MDS both can apply. There is no reservation, and the age must be 45 years or less. Only two things you have to keep in mind: NEET exam and interview you go through the army. Number 7, join an ortho aligner company. Guys, I got the opportunity to join an ortho aligner company. What exactly happens is, the dentist records the impression, we get the impression, and we on the software plan the treatment. Like if it's class 2, if it's class 3, how the treatment should proceed, we are planning the treatment, but we are not on the front, we are not on the clinical aspect of it, but we are at the back end who is planning the treatment. So using the softwares and everything, you guys plan the treatment, and of course a dentist can understand like MD, mesiodistal, and other terminologies which other people can't. So ortho aligner companies do hire people, but I didn't join because there were certain regulations or protocols. There were certain restrictions, like 6 months I have to be there, I cannot leave that place before that. And after, even after 6 months I leave that place, for 2 3 years I cannot join any other company. That was like 2 years ago probably, maybe situations, and it depends on the company you work for, so it changes. But for me it was a restriction, like if I learn something from here and if you want to go forward with that, I can't go. Number 8, tutor in a dental college or join the administration of your own college. Like there are, in our own colleges we can do that, but there are different protocols for every college. Like some colleges do not choose their own students, some colleges prefer some students which have certain qualities. So you have to see and talk through your own colleges on how you can do that, and of course you can apply to other colleges as well. Number 9, forensics. You can of course join forensics as an forensic odontologist, which is the booming and an upcoming branch in India for sure. There is an interview, I will link down below. Number 10, guys, is MPH, Masters in Public Health. Of course, we all know about this. I have an interview again. You work for the public, being a dentist, and of course, you can work for the United Nations as well, as the doctor did in the interview who I have been in conversation with. 11 is MHA, Masters in Health Administration. You work in an hospital as an administrator. Of course you're a dentist, but there includes management skills, business skills. So you work like it's kind of an MBA. 12 is you can do some courses in India or abroad on dental lasers, Botox and fillers, dental photography. These three are the links below, you can find them easily. Or implants, smile designing, facial aesthetics, or cosmetology, which includes chemical peels, PRP, or transplants, especially hair transplant, different things like everything about the face, like regarding the eyebrow, regarding the fillers, which comes in Botox and fillers. You can do the course and then you can work in a clinic, but I would say whenever you do a course, because most of the courses are not happening currently, although they are starting to proceed now, but I think most of them will be available from June or July 2021. But you can search according to the type of course you are opting for. But make sure whenever you do the course, you after that have some place to apply that, otherwise you will forget. And when you do the course, you have to do the hands-on course and not just the theory course. So on patients, hands-on on patients. So whenever you complete the course, either you should work in a clinic, you should have a clinic of your own, or you're working somewhere, or you're working in a hospital, but somewhere you can apply those skills. Guys, the next one is will amaze you. Number 13 comes up with equine dentistry. That is dentistry of the horses, treatment of the horses. The first female equine dentist in India, the female first horse dentist in India, is Dr. Akruti Choksi, with whom I am constantly in contact with to get an interview done for you guys, but due to her prior engagements, it's not happening currently. But let's see, we will have it soon. Guys, you can treat horses, of course, and especially, the horses who run in the races. When we treat them, it's amazing. It's, of course, you are treating an animal if you're an animal lover. Second, it has of course the momentary thing, the financial thing regarding that, it's quite high. So but of course, as the money goes up, the amount you gain, the skills should go up too. Number 14, join a dental product and materials or an implant company, guys, where you can work as a customer relationship manager or medical coding, or people from the insurance companies need you, because we design those products. Of course, we are a dentist, so we are there in the companies to be involved in their everyday work, and to be there to manage everything as a dentist, because these are dental products and materials company. Number 15 is railways, the government job in the railways. Of course, I will mention the sites, you can look for the vacancies. Railways is an amazing opportunity as well. 16, research. Guys, in research, you can either work as a medical advisor, drug developer, clinical data manager, clinical or co-investigator. There are various companies which require research and developmental work, and which requires doctors. Example, you can work for dental materials and products, because that's the need. India definitely needs companies with dental products. You can work and research on that. I have a video on dental materials. I had a conversation with my first international speaker, and so you can definitely view that video on how these guys work there. And of course, they do have Indian students, so we need that here in India. 17 is, guys, UPSC. Of course, you can study for the civil service exam. Number 18 comes with Public Service Commission, PSC, government job. UPPSC, example, Uttar Pradesh PSC, HPPSC, Himachal Pradesh, PPSC, Punjab Public Service Commission, Kerala Public Service Commission. You must have heard all these. What you can do is just search Public Service Commission on the internet, and you will see the site for your state. There is large number of vacancies there, and you just have to see when the dental vacancy comes up, then you just apply for it. And it's like you are with the government, and you are involved in various things, like you are in awareness, you are in treatment as an advisor. Number 19 comes pharmacovigilance, guys. In that, pharmacovigilance is clinical research plus the safety of the drug. India is the second largest in Asia on with the pharmaceutical market. This has an amazing opportunity. You are involved with the drug manufacturing, with the clinical research that goes into that, and of course, is it safe, the trials and everything. Number 20, guys, is moving abroad. Of course, I have kept it at the last option because I really don't want dentists from India to go abroad unless and until, of course, it's their choice. But Australia, UK, USA, Canada, these four countries, I have the videos. What you can do is you can be a dentist, you can be the exam tutor, for example, ORE tutor. You can be that there, and you can guide Indian students who really want to study or settle abroad. You can be the dental hygienist, dental assistant at the starting, and you can make your way up. So guys, these were the main options, and there are many more, like health informatics, which includes a branch of dental informatics, which includes clinical care research, education and management, which utilizes computer science to the application of dentistry. You can be a nutritionist, you can be a dietitian, you can go into modeling. Guys, there are various things that you can do with you being a doctor. Like you can be an event manager, you can be a real estate agent, you can join into insurance, you can do into gardening, cooking, you can go into specialize like just the desserts or just the breakfast. You can do tuitions. I did that in the starting of the lockdown, and I did give biology tuitions. You can be a makeup artist, you can write a book, maybe poetry, novel, dentistry, I don't know, anything. Sports, language specialist, music, photography, natural soaps. I really wanted to join a course in September 2020 by the government of India for on fragrance and soap making, I guess it was. But of course, it couldn't happen. So why not? Why not? You can do that. Sign language, calligraphy, conduct camps. Then this way you can, of course, you can conduct camps and earn. How? You can talk to the MNCs, the multinational companies, and you can just ask them if you can conduct an camp there. And of course, whatever minimal charges they you have, you can do. But for that, you should have a portable chair, or you can refer them to your clinic. So there are various ways. You can be a grooming specialist, etiquette specialist, interior designer, musical instrument specialist. You know something like being in a dental or a medical student, we tend to lose all that. But if you are a specialist of a musical instrument, you can teach that. Logo designer. Guys, I have designed logo for a clinic and I have earned from that. Video editor, tattoo artist, nail artist, specialist. You can be a dental blogger, podcaster, YouTuber. Dr. Ujjwal Patni, a motivational speaker, is a dentist. So you just can't just wait and sit for the naukri, guys. Request, guys, India needs you. All these options can be done even after MBS. And guys, you know what I feel is that you guys need a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, but that doesn't happen. Everybody has different strengths and weaknesses, priorities, likes and dislikes. And guys, at the end, it all comes down to just one question: what do you want?